it, we're making that. Off, I shouldn't have said it. Shouldn't have said it.
Get in. Dickhead. Oh.
I'm not sure.
Get out the way, pigeon fucker!
Feels Australian, and I don't know why.
Flinders?
Sounds more Australian now.
That was great. Not offensive at all.
Try me, bitch.
Yeah, I've no idea where that would be.
I'd say that the places.
Got him!
Someone did actually, guess that.
It's alright, mate. What's the name of this road? You can't park there, sir. I know I can't park it.
I can't remember last time you said it worked.
Because now it's happened, I'm not going to press it for now.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Whoa, what you doing? Genius. Are you going to fucking back up or what? Moron. Well, you were just saying I'd save the clip in a while. There you go. Who came out?
With carsupermarket.com, where all cars come with a 12-month warranty.
What the fuck are you doing?
A fine and bright day in East George from Northern Lincolnshire.
Oh, that's one to save.
This is Nightmare Junction.
I don't know.
I thought after it's probably going to turn off the fact that they...
Entrades al auditori. Mama, què hi ha per sopar? Carinyo, avui tenim un plat boníssim d'aquell que vaig donar ahir. Didn't have much choice, love, did I?
Thank you for that.
Do you know, I think there's a pill for that.
Video protected.
You're gonna end up getting killed, bro. What an idiot.
Fucking knobhead.
What the fuck? Is that an articulated fucking joke?
Dickhead.
Fucking hell! Highway's fucking England. Watch where you're fucking going, dickhead. Oh.
I didn't even see him, did you?
Alca.
Watch out, watch out, watch out!
No confío en la resta.
Yeah. Go on, you might as well go, you're halfway out now.
Nope.
I'd let you finish, brother. I'd let you finish. Well, you're all making an absolute meal of that. What are you all doing, man? Wow.
Fucking delicious.
Stupid fucking arse. Yeah.
Are you actually just walking in the middle of the road when people are driving?
I didn't see you.
Where the lights are on.
What are you doing, brother? Come on. Has everyone just left their brain at home today? Good job, guys. Good job, guys. Good job, guys. That's made a massive fucking mess on it. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay away from all that, I think. You guys can figure it out. No idea who'd be, because if it was at me, really, we're over it. The antenna, I'm gonna give it an erection in the edit.